Kylie Jenner now billionaire.
May paapoy.
Reflection with the brain.
Wait, kilala niyo ako?
Hindi.
Ako lang to.
Yok. Pasintabi po sa mga kumakain ngayon.
Yan ako pa.
For the go!
Hindi masyado. Ano ko pa yung tubig? Yan. Paano swimming ka na? Okay. Sorry po, nadala. Bumaba ka na dito.
No.
Bumaba ka na.
Huwag tutularan.
Bak mababalian ako.
Kaya kasi dahil na usok, mga mahihirap talaga pag-uwi.
Ate ko, anong ganap dito? Eh! Ayoko!
Oo, yun yan na may tubig.
Sa galing naman!
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good.
Sige pa lang na.
Pulihan tayo ng itlog.
Parang hindi papaburong doon.
So, hi there, loves. It's 5:30 in the morning and maliligo na ako and I'm gonna get ready for my pictorial shoot today sa Meteora, Tagaytay. So, sorry po for my morning face and medyo kakagising ko lang talaga ngayon. So, ayun, samahan niyo ako. Hi there, loves. So, it's currently 6 in the morning and nagpe-prepare na sila ng breakfast sina Ma'am si MJ. Our call time sa Meteora, which will be our venue for the photo shoot or the pictorial, is at 7 a.m. pa. So, we still got time to eat. Siguro kakain muna kami before we go there, before kami mag-prep for makeup and everything. And yun, isasama ko kayo throughout my whole pre-debut pictorial journey. Kaya, just keep on watching. So, let's go. For the cooking ng mga momshi.
Papalo up daw ng ano bang silog. Wait lang. Ilabas mo na yung bangus para sa bang silog. Tama. Yun na.
Lilibot tayo sa... Ay, sorry. Kasama ko kasi siya. What it looks like in the morning po dito. Wait, I'll show you. So, nagpunta naman ako ngayon dito sa harapan ng bahay. Napakaganda talaga ni Darla. Tapos, hindi maingay dito. Very peaceful. Hindi kayo magtatambay dito. Chairs naman dyan. Napakaganda talaga. If you want some fresh air, enjoy nyo dito sa labas. At yung weather, Darloves, since malapit na tayo sa Tagaytay talaga, or parang part na rin ito ng Tagaytay, medyo malamig siya. Pero ngayon, kasi minsan lumalamig talaga dito ng sobrang lamig. Pero ngayon, carry naman. Tinan nyo nga yung suot ko. Parang hindi naman ako nilalamig. So, yun. Maganda yung weather ngayon. Naabutan namin yung tamang klima lang. Hindi sobrang lamig. Hindi naman din mabanas. So, kung dito kayo magsastay sa main house, perfect dito tumambay. Bukod sa may tambayan talaga dito or may chair, ay, ang sarap pagmasdan ng pagmasdan ng mga plants nila. Ganun. Pwede mo rin kausapin yung sarili mo kung gusto. So, yun. Nakaka-relax dito, Darlas. Nga po, may nakabihis na nga po. Uy! OOTD. And Shopee. Ukay. Shopee. Ikaw.
Pen shop, Darla. Ari SM, tas ari pen shop.
Wow.
Ari face mas Shopee.
Yun. Baka naman, Shopee. Darla. Hi Darla! So ayun, after namin mag-breakfast, nag-ready na kami to go to Meteor Tagaytay kung saan ako nag-pictorial. And I just want to share to you guys my overall experience and what I could say about my experience to you Darlovs. And I also want to share how I would rate my overall experience. So, yeah. Hindi ako nahirapan. All I did was message their page and their page was very responsive sa mga messages. So, minessage ko lang sila and then they asked me about some details like the name and how many packs and what kind of accommodation do I want to avail. I have the tiny houses and the main house. So, yung tiny house, yun yung maliliit lang, kagaya ng name niya, and very cute and Nordic style din sila. And also, the main house where we stayed in. Tinanong nila ako kung alin doon yung accommodation na gusto kong i-avail. So yun, it was very quick and easy. They just asked me for some details and then they asked for a down payment. So we stayed at the main house. At kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung tour ko sa main house and sa Nordic Homes Resort, please do check it out on my YouTube channel and ito po siya. Yan. If you haven't seen it, yan po yung tour sa main house and Nordic Homes Resort. So, yan. And for our accommodation, which is the main house, nagkakahalaga po siya ng 12,000 pesos. So, that's only for one night. So, check-in kayo ng 3 p.m. and then check-out kayo ng 12 p.m. Pero maaga kami nagpunta doon. Pero nag-check-in pa rin kami before 3 p.m. Buti medyo ginawa nila ng paraan para makapag-check-in kami before 3 p.m. Kasi masyado kaming maaga nakarating. Pero nag-wait na lang kami doon sa may pool area nila and doon sa may common area nila. So, doon kami nag-wait while waiting for 3 p.m. kasi maaga kami dumating. And then, maaga kami nag-check-out. Nag-check-out kami is around 7:30 or quarter to 8 a.m. So, yun, maaga kaming nag-check-in, tapos maaga rin kami nag-check-out. Ayun. Pero pag 1 hour kayo early mag-check-in, merong extra charges. So, yeah. Ayun yung magkaroon ng extra charge. Punta na lang kayo doon ng 3 p.m. Then, nag-down payment ako sa kanila ng 6,000 pesos, which is half of the total price, which is 12,000 pesos. So, ayun. I just wanna say, sobrang worth it naman po talaga nung price na binabayad nyo sa kanila because their staff, yung staff po nila napakabait, tapos napakalinis po ng accommodation nyo. And imagine, if you are gonna plan this for the family, 12,000 is really worth it. And kung sa barkada naman, kung ilan kayo, like, let's say you're 9 persons and then 12,000 yung babayaran, di ba? Maghati-hati na lang kayo para kumonti yung babayaran. And you'll enjoy the main house, which is very spacious. Marami kayong pwedeng gawin. You can swim in the pool. You can play PS5. You can watch Netflix. You can cook. Whatever you want to do with your barkadas or your family. So, ayun. Very, very sulit and very, very worth it yung ibabayad nyo. So, eto po. I have a pet. Her name is Nene. Say hi, Darloves. And unfortunately, hindi ko po siya aray ko. And unfortunately, hindi ko po siya wait, I'll just let her go. Mga bagay talaga minsan kailangan natin i-let go. Balahibo na loves ko. Unfortunately, hindi namin siya naisama kasi pets are allowed sa resort, sa Nordic Homes Resort, but you have to pay 700 pesos for a small pet. So, hindi nila nasama yung pagka-big pet yung dala nyo, like big dogs, ganun. Pero nakalagay doon sa sinend nila sa akin mga policies nila. Nung kausap ko sila sa Facebook page nila, is small pets has a charge of 700 pesos and you need to pay 3,000 for deposit just in case na may masira yung pet or may maihian siya, may mataihan siya doon. So, yun, deposit of 3,000 pesos and 700 for pet fee. Yun ay for small pets. I'm not really sure for the big ones. So, ayun po. And also, hindi lang naman dahil doon sa fee na yun, kaya hindi namin nasama si Nene. Kasi, doon sa Meteora, wherein we did my pre-debut pictorial, meron din siyang fee which is 1,000 pesos. So, I have to pay additional 1,000 pesos for her. So, hindi ko na lang siya sinama. Pati, mas madali kasi pag walang kasamang pet kasi medyo hassle. So, yun. Speaking of their policies po pala, Darlos, they have a lot of rules and regulations na kailangan nyo sundin while you're staying in one of their accommodations. So, you don't have to worry about being clueless about their policies kasi they will be sending them to you once you are booked, and you can also ask them what their policies are right before na mag-book kayo kasi they're very responsive po talaga sa mga messages sa Facebook page nila. So, all you have to do is just message them on their Facebook page. And by the way, Darloves, I will also include their Facebook page, the link of their Facebook page on the description box. So, make sure to check them out. Feel free to message them because they are very, very responsive. And kung nagpaplano kayo mag-staycation sa Nordic Homes Resort, I advise na mag-book na kayo ahead. Kaya sobrang daming guests na dumarating and nagpapabook and baka maubusan kayo ng dates. So, make sure na mag-book na kayo ahead kasi baka maubusan kayo ng slots for those dates na gusto nyo. So, if you have a particular date in mind, i-book nyo na agad yung date na yun if you want to stay in Nordic Homes Resort. Kasi, nung paalis kami, and then meron na agad na dadating. So, marami talaga silang guests, kaya mag-book na kayo ahead. About sa location naman niya, Darloves, papapasok pa siya, pero hindi naman siya ganun kalayo from the Karsada. Pero, hindi rin siya malalakad. Kumbaga, hindi naman siya ganun kalayo if you have a car, pero kung maglalakad ka from your accommodation sa Nordic Homes Resort, tapos lalakadin mo lang papuntang labas ng kalsada, ay hindi. Hindi siya malapit. Malayo siya. Pero kung may car kayo, napakalapit lang niya. Napakadali lang niya. Paglabas niyo doon yun, malapit na kayo sa Tagaytay. Tapos, Darloves, yung mga toiletries and mga gamit like blankets, pwede kayong humingi. Wala na siyang charges kasi humingi pa kami ng extra blanket nung gabi. Kasi napakalamig nga at sa fully air condition na yung bahay, may kanya-kanya pa kaming aircon sa bawat isang room. So, yun, nag-request pa ako ng blankets and wala na silang chinarge sa akin. So, hindi na nila chinarge sa akin yun. And, yung toiletries naman, Darloves, wala silang toothbrush, wala silang toothpaste, pero meron silang shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So, yun. Kung makakalimutan nyo mong magdala ng toothbrush or toothpaste, Magdala kayo, huwag niyo kalimutan. Kung ayaw niyo lumabas at bumili pa, huwag niyo kalimutan. So, ayun. For the pool area naman po, Darloves, if you're gonna be staying at the main house like us, you're gonna be having your exclusive hours for the pool. The pool is open from 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. And ako, since we stayed at the main house, their staff, Sir Jerry, asked me kung anong oras ko gusto ipa-exclusive yung pool. And kami pina-exclusive namin yung pool from 7 to 10 p.m. So, from 7 to 10 p.m., kami lang yung tao sa pool area. Pwede nyo yung gawin if you'll be staying at the main house. For the jacuzzi, there is an additional 300 pesos that you have to pay kung gusto nyo siyang ipa-heated. Ako, i-recommend ko sa inyo, bayaran nyo na yung 300 kasi napaka-worth it yung pag-heated lalo. So, yun. Kasi kung hindi siya heated, tas lalo na kung gabi na kayo magsuswimming, malamig. Kaya I recommend na you get the jacuzzi heated na. 300 lang naman, huwag na kayong manghinayang, worth it naman siya. And yung papunta doon, Darloves, hindi na kayo kailangang mag-worry na maliligaw kayo, ganon. Kasi before kayo pumunta, before kayo mag-arrive, on that day, sa morning, i-message kayo ng Nordic Homes Resort sa Facebook page nila. I-message nila kayo and they'll be sending you a pin ng location nila sa Waze app. So, if you have a Waze app, i-click nyo lang yung link na isasend nila sa inyo from their Facebook page and yun, napakadali. Nakapin na yung location, susundan nyo na lang sa Waze yun. So, ayun. Para dun sa overall rate ko sa stay namin sa Nordic Home Resort, I would rate it a 10 out of 10, syempre, kasi very, very happy and satisfied ako sa accommodation namin. Bukod sa malinis siya, madali siyang puntahan kasi nga provided na nila yung pin sa Waze app, and then very accommodating yung staff nila. Very mababait yung staff nila. So, ayun. I would rate it a 10 out of 10 and highly recommended itong Nordic Home Resort kung gusto nyo ng place to stay near Tagaytay. They are located at Silang Cavite. Ito yung mismong location nila. So, ayun. I highly recommend this place. If you're looking for a place wherein you could stay near Tagaytay or kung may plano kayong mag-staycation near Tagaytay, ayun, I highly recommend Nordic Homes Resort. So, ayun, please do check out their page. The link is on my description. Again, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung video ko, wherein I did a tour around Nordic Homes Resort and inside the main house, please do check it out on my channel. This is the video for that vlog. So, ayun. Thank you, Darlos, for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated to my vlogs or my uploads. Thank you, Darlos, for watching. I'll see you on my next video.